Okay, I'm going to teach you the art of how to cocoa paint on a cake. It's best if you have a stencil or something you could use. I found this picture of the snowman. It happens to be the holidays, and a black and white picture is the best to use. Something not too intricate, but something that you can sketch out with a pencil is a great photo for you to pick. I just want to mention, when we get back down to the Let It Snow sign, I'm going to have to actually cut that out and flip it over and retrace it again, because it will come out backwards. And just to verify, just to let you know, there's no lead in pencils anymore. They've eliminated that, even in the paint. In a few minutes, I'm going to cut this Let It Snow out so that I can retrace it, you know.